shines like a disco ball in the cafe where the planets call. Sipping stardust from a cosmic cup. Galaxies swirl as the day wakes up. Baristas brewing in zero G. Serve my latte with a comment spree. Saturn's rings make a perfect foam. In this cafe, I'm never alone. Space is passing with a caffeine swing. Moon dust muffins make the cosmos sing. Coffee constellations light the way. Sip the universe and seize the day. Asteroids clink in my sugar jar. Meteors splash in my cappuccino star. Stir my dreams in a Milky Way swirl. Cosmic coffee makes the whole world twirl. Jupiter's shadow on the tabletop. Mars red blends the ultimate crop. Nebula pastries, bright and sweet. Every sip here is an astral feat. Space is passing with a caffeine swing. Moon dust muffins make the cosmos sing. Coffee constellations light the way. Sip the universe and seize the day. Floating through a galaxy with you beside. Stardust in our hair, our hearts open wide. Jumping from a comet to a neon moon. We'll paint the Milky Way with our own tune. Your eyes are like the stars, they shine so bright. Lost in spaceships, we drift through the night. A universe of love in our embrace. Eclipses melt away in your warm face. Warp speed hearts are racing fast. Every moment in hope it lasts. Galactic kisses in zero G. This cosmic love sets us free. Warp speed hearts are racing fast. Every moment in hope it lasts. Kisses in zero G. Cause cosmic love sets us free. Rocket engines purring song of us. In the void we're free from all the fuss. Orbiting each other feels so pure. Among the stars our love is sure. Asteroids they try to block